Welcome to Insight Vision Center. Today we are going to teach you how to insert and remove your scleral contact lenses. For setup, you will need a mirror that can lay flat on the table, several paper towels, your insertion and removal DMV plunger, and a vial of preservative-free sterile saline. Step 1. Wash your hands with lotion-free soap and a lint-free towel. Step 2. Remove your right lens from the case. Double check to make sure you know which lens is right and which lens is the left. Step 3. Inspect the lenses for chips or cracks. Step 4. Using the DMV insertion plunger, squeeze gently to remove the air and then adhere it to the curved side of the contact lens. Release the plunger to create a suction. Check the seal of the lens to make sure it is on the plunger securely. If you don't have an insertion plunger handy, you can also use the 3-finger tripod grip to hold the lens. One tip some of our patients have found handy is to cut the bottom off the DMV insertion plunger. When inserting the lens, look for the light coming through the plunger, as this will help to keep your eye steady. Step 5. Fill the bowl of the lens with preservative-free sterile saline all the way up to the top. Be sure to remove any air bubbles that you see. Never use tap water to fill the lens, as tap water is not safe to put straight into the eye. Step 6. Bring your chin all the way down so that your face is parallel to the table. Step 7. Use your non-dominant hand to open your eye as wide as possible. Really stretch your upper and lower eyelid open so your lashes don't get in the way. Step 8. Gently bring the lens towards the eye. When you start to feel the liquid, don't stop, but keep pushing in until you feel the lens sitting firmly against your eye. Squeeze the insertion plunger to free the lens and close your eye slowly. Step 9. Inspect the lens on your eye to make sure you don't have any air bubbles in the lens. Air bubbles will cause the vision to be blurry and can cause discomfort during wear time. How to remove your scleral lenses. Step 1. Wash your hands again with lotion-free soap and a lint-free towel. Step 2. Look into the mirror to locate the lens on your eye. Always be sure that the lens is on the eye before attempting to remove it. Step 3. Using the removal DMV plunger, put the tip of the plunger at the 6 o'clock position. Do not place the plunger in the middle of the lens. Step 4. Gently remove the scleral lens by lifting the bottom edge of the lens off first. Pull the plunger in an angled motion. Step 5. When removing the lens, pull away from the eye so that the contact does not scratch your eye. Caring for your scleral lenses. This is the regimen we recommend at our office. For daily disinfection, we recommend using a hydrogen peroxide-based system. After removing your scleral lenses, place them into the appropriate side of the basket. Fill the container up to the line with the hydrogen peroxide solution, and then insert the basket and allow the disinfection process to run for a minimum of 6 hours. Do not place the hydrogen peroxide solution directly into your eye. It should only be used in combination with the provided container. After 6 hours, the contacts are now safe to remove from the basket and can be placed upon the eye. However, if more comfortable, you can also use a multi-purpose saline solution to give it one more rinse. If the lens falls on the table or ground, use the multi-purpose solution to rinse off the lens. Do not use the hydrogen peroxide solution. Never put the hydrogen peroxide solution into your eye. Do not use anything besides preservative-free saline to fill the lens before inserting into the eye. Allow your case to air dry. Rinse the plungers with your multi-purpose saline and also allow them to air dry. Squeeze the insertion plunger several times to remove all moisture to prevent bacteria from growing inside. We are excited for you to enjoy great vision again with your new scleral lenses. Remember that regular follow-ups with your optometrist are essential to maintain good vision and eye health. See you next time!